Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use extended thinking in Claude Code. Extended thinking lets Claude Code spend more time reasoning before giving an answer. It is useful for complex coding tasks, planning, debugging, architecture, decisions, and multi-step refactors. Claude Code docs say thinking appears in gray italic text in the terminal, and as you can see here, you can view the actual things. So usually what you have to do is you go here to Sonnet, as you can see, and go to efforts, or you could go to models. Of course, make sure to use the Opus 4.8 for more most couple of ambitious. This one is the worst. This one is for the fastest and quickest answers. So let's just go here. High effort means more throughout response but takes longer and uses your limit faster. So go and pick max and then use thinking. This will literally turn on the extended thinking in Claude Code and lets AI rethink and think again before giving you an answer. You can also use a shortcut like Control Alt T on Windows or Linux, and you can turn it on also by clicking Option T on some devices. You can adjust effort in Claude Code with this command, which is /effort, as you can see, and this will literally let you adjust the effort. So you can write, for example, effort low, effort high, etc., and you will be able to actually address the AI with this command. A good prompt example for the actual thinking without really using the deep thinking option that the Claude gives you is this one. So let me just paste it here. All right. So use extended thinking to expect this code base and plan the safest, etc., etc. So it starts with this. Use extended thinking and then leave the rest as a prompt as you want it, so you can edit as you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next upcoming video.